Welcome to Boating Journey. I'm Scott and she's Allie. We own 2 boats in the Pacific Northwest, but have recently found ourselves boatless after moving to southern Florida. We moved to be closer to different boating opportunities in the Caribbean, our favorite boating destination. Our goals are to explore the Florida waters, bring you some new boat tours, and hopefully find our next boat. So come along and follow us on our boating journey. This week, Allie and I are back at the SoFlo Boat Show to tour a couple of center consoles from Bahama Boat Works of West Palm Beach, Florida, the 35 and brand new 41 GT. I have to say, these semi-custom boats made us reconsider our thoughts on consoles just being fishing boats. The show was busy, so we couldn't spend too much time on either boat. This episode is not meant to be a deep dive into center consoles or these specific models. If you are interested in learning more about these boats, check out the links below. Let's first check out the Bahama 35. The Bahama 35 is the newest addition to the Bahama boat family. Incorporating the same top-notch design, engineering, and manufacturing standards, this vessel offers unparalleled sea-keeping abilities and amenities at a more accessible price point. Key features include computer-designed and CNC-cut construction, no wood materials, 4 sturdy fiberglass hull stringers, and a fully integrated structure with no twist. The flush deck enhances full open fishing capabilities, while proprietary twin gasket watertight hatch systems ensure peace of mind when it comes to keeping your gear clean and dry. Inside, a fully lined center console with generous headroom, a spacious lockable electronics dashboard, and aircraft quality wiring systems provide unmatched assurance and reliability. The Bahama Boat Works hardtop, equipped with the Birdsall marine design leg assembly, offers added durability. Other notable features include a walk-through transom door, a heavy-duty composite transom suitable for up to 3 300-horsepower outboards, and impressive speeds of over 50 miles per hour with twin 300-horsepower engines. With a fuel capacity of 400 gallons, extended range adventures are well within reach. Next up is the 41 GT. The evolution of the classic Bahama 41 Super Console has arrived. The new Bahama 41 GT offers unrivaled offshore capabilities. Crafted with a true integrated mole hull structure, this vessel exudes confidence with its inherent dynamic stability and top-tier comfort. Experience world-class performance seamlessly fused with numerous customizable options, culminating in an unrivaled vessel engineered to navigate challenging sea conditions with utmost seaworthiness. Thrilling, innovative design makes this a hardcore offshore fishing machine, yet a streamlined, elegant console featuring, among other things, integrated sunshades, freshwater shower, dual-row helm seats, and family and lifestyle features.
Yeah, you can see here.
Adds a little character to it. I mean, just a touch of wood.
Yeah.
Good.
Storage up there.
I didn't show my ignorance. What are these for?
Yeah.
Those are the outriggers.
Oh, the okay. Oh, gotcha. Yeah.
It's really easy. So it's a flip. It's basically you just flip this, and they'll go left and right or up and down.
Gotcha.
So no pins or anything like that. That's right.
I like the wood. The wood is nice. Just
Even this.
nice lounge. Nice lounge, nice LED lighting. Got an adjustment storage underneath here.
That's cool. That looks comfortable.
It looks very comfortable, doesn't it? Oh yeah.
Comfortable.
Yeah, when you're cruising. For you, your feet would still be on
You
it.
got a cup holder still. Oh, go ahead. With some, and then maybe some storage.
Yeah.
Yep.
Looked huge, right, with the mirror? It's like, oh, dual toilets.
I can do it. I can do it easily.
Where's Bahama made then?
West Palm Beach.
West Palm Beach?
Been around since 04.
Okay. Happy anniversary.
Come right here.
Okay.
Click the button. Come right down.
Very nice. I mean, very, very, very.
For you little short people.
That's cool.
Again, good use of space. Anything? Oh no, that's the door.
Oh, sorry.
That's fine. Okay.
Yeah, that's the door.
Where's the TV?
We
I
can
gotta
add that.
see the
We
game.
can add that
Yeah.
for you. You just tell us where you want it.
Perfect. Allie and I really like both of these boats. Enough to sway us away from cabin cruisers? Perhaps not, but they gave us a new appreciation for this segment of boating. I hope you like this episode. If so, please give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. And please leave a constructive comment. We really appreciate hearing from you. See you next time.